Apart from the maximum sustainable yield already being inefficiently large, economists offer us an additional reason to reduce allowable catch. That is, the uncertainty of estimates about stock variability and reproductive power should lead us to be cautious. Let us return to Harold Hoteling for a moment. In formulating his theory, Hoteling was well aware that his analysis presented an overly simplistic version of reality, and his discussion of the analysis both predated some of the earlier criticism when he remarked on page 174. The problems of exhaustible resources involve the time in another way besides bringing on exhaustion and higher prices, namely as bringing increased information, both as to the physical extent and the condition of the resource, and as to the economic phenomena attending its extraction and sale. This focus on the importance of information has possibly inspired one of Hoteling, his most brilliant doctoral students, Kenneth Arrow, whom later wrote, together with his colleague Anthony Fisher, on page 317 of their 1974 article entitled Environmental Preservation, Uncertainty, and Irreversibility. If we are uncertain about the payoff to invest in development, we should err on the side of underinvestment rather than overinvestment, since development is irreversible. Given an ability to learn from experience, underinvestment can be remedied before the second period, whereas mistaken overinvestment cannot. The consequences persisting in effect for all time. In addition to these complications with uncertainty, there is the problem of shifting baselines. That is, as worded by Myers and Worm, management schemes are usually implemented well after industrialized fission has begun, and only serve to stabilize biomass at low levels. For a further illustration of this idea of shifting baselines, let us watch have a TED Talk by Enric Sala.